Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Windows 11 start menu look like this, like a translucent effect here. So to make your Windows 11 translucent start menu, first you need to go to a website called Windog. So just need to go to this windog.net and then just download the application. After downloading it, you need to install it. And after installing the application, you will get this window interface like this. So to make your start menu translucent, you just need to download a mods from here. So just go to the Explore, and here you'll find the option called Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. So you just need to click on Details and then just click on Install. And this will show you a warning, but don't worry. Lots of other users are using it, and also the author is verified in a lot of networks, as you can see. So if you want to use it, it's up to you. So just click on Accept Risk and Install. And this will install the mod for your translucent Windows 11 start menu. After installing the mods for start menu, you just need to go to this settings option. And here you'll find the theme option here. So now it's chosen to down here. So just click on this drag icon and just go down here. You will find the translucent start menu. So just click this and just click on Save Settings. And if I just minimize it and just click right now Start Menu, as you can see, now it looks like a translucent start menu. So if I just go back to the Windog here, you can choose another theme from here, which is already transparent. So Fluent Inspired, and Save Settings. Then minimize it. And as you can see, my start menu is now completely transparent. So this is how you can make your taskbar translucent or transparent here. So if you don't want to use this anymore, you can just go to this Show Hidden Icons with the J icon menu and just right click on it and click on Exit. And just click on Exit Window, and that's it. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.